YouTube, it's your boy Rafa, S1K Rafa here again with another video. We're in Miami, Florida, baby. Right here with the boy Austin. I got Mess over here, about to roll out. We got here last night. We're gonna head over to the Dinanica store, meet up with the team there, say what's up. We're gonna be here for the weekend, and it should be a good one, man. Sure, there you go. I am gonna see the new angle of the camera and just check it out. But ready? Yeah. I did give me some new gloves before I came over here, and they feel a little bit tight right now. Well, not tight, but it's just gotta break them in. We're in beautiful Miami. How crazy is this? We were here a few months ago for the store opening. We didn't have our bikes that time, but got bikes here with a brand new chain. Let's get it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be dope. We should be getting 2 points of view in this vlog. I know Mess is vlogging too, so we'll see. What's good, boy? So I was having a little issue with my lever. Yeah, I got TWM levers. It's kind of wobbly. So I was kind of looking into that. I don't know why. I don't know the reason for it. But Austin brought me a washer to put it in between the bolt and the nut. Kind of helped out a little bit, but it was kind of intercepting. There you go. There you go. Got stuck. I gotta get used to these gloves. That was an unintentional wheelie. Appreciate it, Papa. Appreciate the compliment. Wheelie. Then we fucked up the exit. Motherfucker. It's all love. It's all love. We're here, boys. We're here. Lock it in. We've made it back. This is the store. Man, it feels good to be back. Go in there and say what's up to the boys.
He's in the
Alright guys, this is the store. We'll be here tomorrow. We're gonna do a quick event tomorrow and just pull up, show some love, and they're gonna have a sale. So they're gonna do like an extra 20% off on top of the discounted prices that of the items that are on discount. So this is actually the suit that I have, Mugello. $5 grand for this suit, but it's kangaroo leather, so it's beautiful. Got the Rossi suit here, got all the helmets over here. I've been thinking of getting me a matte or a gloss, just regular carbon helmet. I've been wanting that. There's the homies right there from the store. But I'm about to head out. We already chilled here for a minute, so, and go get something to eat, and then ride some more later at night, and then we'll go from there. If y'all haven't already, pull up to the Dinanica Miami store. You know, I'll put the address here on the screen. If you're from Miami, just pull up, you know, show some love. Get some jackets, leather suits, everything, man. They got it all. You ready? Yeah. All right.
You guys gonna do a picture?
Yeah, we can put up the bike together here.
And stand on the bike or what? Sit on the bike?
Let's put them sideways a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like you, but like right here.
Yeah. All right, let's roll. Oh, that's perfect, bro.
Good?
Yeah.
Want another one?
No, that's perfect. Why? What's wrong with it? Yeah, so I adjusted my clutch a little bit. Right now, when we're at the outside the store, I feel like it's kind of, my quick shifter wasn't working very well. Now I gotta get used to. Yeah, kind of. I guess just curiosity right now, just kind of. Yeah, quick shifter's actually working now. So I think that's what it was. So when I was at the store right now, I actually changed the guards on my boots to the titanium ones. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, my quick shifter's definitely working now. Definitely. Oh, the side. Look good, right? Look good? Yeah. Yeah, I like them better. So we're headed to a taco spot that one of the guys, Diego at the Dinanica store, recommended us to go to. We haven't ate anything, so we're probably go grab some grub and eat, and I think we're supposed to meet up later with some of the other guys. And we're in the school zone, bro, and we just saw the cop. Kind of crazy. We don't even got plates on or anything. I don't know how law enforcement goes about here. You saw it? There you go. Damn, relax. Like the vibe?
I think my lady called me.
There's a spot, it's called El Santo. We're about to get some grub here. The vibe's nice, so grab a drink, grab a bite, then go ride some more. Now we got the cops chasing us. Yo, that cop just lit us up. Yo, that was crazy, bro.
We have to get on the fucking highway.
ASAP. Bro, that was crazy.
Look at the cop, look at the cop.
Where? So we're literally just splitting traffic, and out of nowhere I really thought it was an ambulance. I don't even know if I got that good on camera. I know my 360 in the front and back were recording, but I don't know where the cop just lit us up, splitting traffic, I guess. We're gonna try to get some gas.
Oh, do you have that on?
Yeah, I had it on.
Bro, it's comedy.
Bro,
If I knew the road, it would have been chill.
yeah, it would have been chill, but hey, I thought it was an ambulance, bro. It didn't sound like a cop. It's like as soon as he touched the 18-wheeler, he did it.
Low-key, those cars are getting out the way quick. Oh, no. I'm like, goddamn. Well, if I knew the fucking road, I wouldn't give a fuck. But
Yeah.
let me get on the fuck. We gotta get on the highway, bro.
Yeah. Bro, I was like, oh shit, we're about to get arrested in Miami, bro.
I was like, oh, how you stopping?
Fuck. And there's traffic both ways right now. Look at that.
Bro, there's traffic, but it's better to split on the highway than on the fucking street because we're splitting, we're speeding, we're running red lights, we're just being reckless.
Yeah.
We're being reckless. You're right. Because we split a couple times slowly.
Yeah.
They didn't say nothing. But we're running lights, speeding, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're doing too much.
We're pushing it.
Yeah, we're doing too much. We're acting reckless as fuck.
Yeah, we were.
Bro, I was looking back. I seen all that. Fuck. Let me go. And then I look back. He was still coming. I'm like, bro, these motherfuckers are getting out the way for him.
Out the way. How about you even wait back there?
Hell nah.
Bro, I look back. At that point, I was in the very back. And I look back, and I see that it's a cop. And I'm like, what the fuck? Why?
This was Wong.
Yeah.
What do you mean Wong?
Bro. Yeah, I don't know the streets at all, so yeah, we're just it's just a matter of counting our chances here. Past 20 minutes. Oh fuck, state trooper. Fuck. I saw it.
3 hours later.
Alright, we just made it to the spot, meet up with the boys. Fast Lane D's here, Motor Mac, and some other guys. Man's got in touch with them. And they're probably gonna grab some dinner here. Yep, all their bikes are there. I think Jack Bequeath's here too. The boy Jack. Hey Q! What up, my boy? Good to see you, man. What's up, y'all? What up, y'all? What up? Man, there's a lot of bikes. We got an H2 here, got another BMW. You guys just got here? You guys just got here?
Nah, we did it about 30 minutes.
Oh, damn. All right.
They told us an hour and a half wait. And for now, they said it's just 5 minutes. We got like a table for 30. So.
Oh. Jack's here too?
Huh?
Jack?
Yeah, Jack and them up there.
All right. That was pretty nice. We had a little dinner in there. We didn't eat though. We just had one drink, and you know, we met up with the boys Easy, Fast Lane D, Motor Mac, all those guys. Q, I think Q's riding one of the bikes from Jack, and but I mean, we got a lot of guys here, so it was packing there. I don't even know how they sat us down, but it was 30 deep, easy. But we're about to head back to the Airbnb. I think these guys are going to South Miami. We might meet up with them later tonight and go from there. So I'm gonna just cut the video here. Maybe like a two-day event type of thing. We're gonna wake up early tomorrow and then go to the Rolls, meet up with the guys, and go from there. But if you watched the video this far, if you don't mind, just give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below if you made it this far in the video. You know, appreciate it. You know, from every single one of y'all that's showing love. I appreciate that. You know, I'm just starting with this, so I just kind of want to take it up, and once it lifts off, man, it's go time. You know, hope the audio in this video was a little better. If it wasn't, let me know. If you made it this far, thank you. I love you. Love all the support. You know, till the next one, guys. Ride safe out there, and peace. Yes, sir. That's Motor Mac right there. He needed gas.
Oh, he needed gas?
Yeah, I think that's what he did. You hear him?
Well, we're gonna close out the video right here.
Yes, sir. Let's do it. That's how you gotta enter a peaceful neighborhood.
Yeah, just be quiet. Be respectful.
Yeah.
Right?
We're adults here.
We're fucking adults.
Yeah.
We're almost 30.
Yes, sir. Peace.
I'm just gonna push it.
I guess.
Fine, Floridian.
I'll race you, bitch. Come on. Come on, motherfucker. It's that cardio, bro. No. Let's go through the grass right here. Go. Fuck. Yeah.
Didn't I win?
Yeah, you did.